So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This is super insane. So as you can see,
Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you a new method to get rich on the game Baseball 9. So this is a 2026 method. So let me open it up, and as you can see we are actually pretty broke on Baseball 9, but now come down here, we have this button we can press and we can add free gems. So I'm going to turn this on, and now the Baseball 9 gems should start going up. And then I'm going to show you how to get this Baseball 9 mod so you too can get unlimited gems. So let's see if it starts increasing, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device. And as you can see guys, there we go. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how to get unlimited gems in Baseball 9 2026. Alright, first things first, go to the browser, type in tweakmod.com. So once you're on this website guys, just type in Baseball 9, and here's the game. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then you'll have the Baseball 9 mod on your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So here we go guys. So shouldn't be that hard. So let's see what happens, and you can see it is downloading right there. So we're just going to let it load up. Alright, and now it's going to take us to the page with the apps. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. You can see we have Travel Town, Mode Casino, Match to Win. This one's like download and reach level 11. So I just play it until I'm level 11. You can see it's a game, so that's pretty easy. And then go back to the list, and we have some more to do. So we got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. So yeah, make sure you do 2 of them. You're going to be good to go. So peace out guys, but that's how to get rich on Baseball 9 2026. As you can see, unlimited gems, fully working guys. So as you can see, we have our anti-ban of course. So this is ready for you. So let's go to the App Store and type in Baseball 9 just so you guys can see how expensive it is. And then we will be learning why you don't spend money. So here's the game. You don't need it installed. It's a separate modded version, but as you can see, it's quite expensive. So if you guys want to pay for gems, that's up to you, but chances are if you're watching this video, you're not really involved in the payment scene. But make sure you go to settings, you got background app refresh turned on, make sure you got low power mode turned off. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get Baseball 9 mod for your phone. As you can see, unlimited gems guys, super crazy. So be sure to try it out for yourself, and you just have to download 2 of these apps. There is the video there, so if you're really confused, you can watch that, but this is ready for you. So be sure to try it out guys, it's super cool. I'm gonna see you later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel guys if you like Baseball 9, because I never really enjoyed the game until I had unlimited money. That's when it got good. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool guys, totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, this is super cool guys. So if you need money in Baseball 9, you know where to look. You know who to turn to. In times of need, we need our Baseball 9 unlimited currency, and I can show you where to get it. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super awesome. So be sure to try it out for yourself guys if you want to get money on Baseball 9. Super insane.